Hello, Holy Ones. Hello, hello. Oh my goodness. Ah! More happiness coming in live from Destin. We're doing our Time to Rise Destin 2025, 6th year doing this event. They just keep expanding and getting more incredibly awesome. Happen to be not fully into the event yet, and we're starting tonight, but I ran into somebody. Two incredible somebodies. So I'd love to share the space with them, and they'd like to say hi. Would you like to say hi to them? They're part of our beautiful Akashma family. So this is beautiful Cindy.
Hi! I want to say hello to the Eternal Light Pod, Eternal Light Within. Hello, beautiful Holly, for bringing this star family into this wonderful nucleus, and thank you for all of my star brothers and sisters who I get to spend the rest of my time here on earth with. You are so precious and so valuable to me. Now we get to be with our beautiful Cosmo family in our state of mind here in Destin, Florida. So thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you for all the love you give me.
And who else is here, you say? Well, let's see.
Hello, everybody!
Trudy! Woo! Trudy is in the house! Raise the roof!
Hello, everyone. We are here. We are living and laughing and loving. It's wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. The energy here is incredible. The water, oh my goodness, it's incredible. You walk by anything, anyone, and your heart expands. It's just carrying energy everywhere. It's a beautiful, beautiful space. And I'm so glad to be sharing with these people here and with you all in heart. I love you all. Thank you, beautiful Kate, for daily, daily, daily showing us about love, and that we are love, and we are indeed love. I love you all in the love pod. Have a beautiful day.
All right, Holy Ones, from us to you. Ianakea, Kaoatea, Satane, Ataoa. We love you. We love you. We love you. Woo!